Recently, I've had more than one client tell us that there's been a lot of bait and switch. And the reason why I think this is important is because, yes, sometimes maybe you're dealing with an unscrupulous lender. Other times, maybe you just haven't presented them with all of the information. And so I'm going to give you a couple of tools that you can use to protect yourself when applying for a doctor mortgage loan against any bait and switch. The first thing that I would recommend is that you check for the client reviews or testimonials from other physicians. You can go to websites like Google, Facebook, also Angie's List, and you're looking for past physician clients who have used this lender, used this loan officer, and are willing to tell you, hey, we had a great experience and you're in good hands with this lender. Ultimately, I think that's going to be the first and the best litmus test. The second thing that I would recommend that you do is to get all of the information about your file to that financial representative as soon as humanly possible. So that would mean fill out a complete client application. That would mean to fill out all of the information needed to make an assessment of your scenario, get them your employment contract, get them your assets, get them absolutely everything as far in advance as humanly possible, and then ask them to have an underwriter review that documentation and give you a full credit and income approval. Then once that has happened, an underwriter has reviewed your documents, then say I'd like an updated financing proposal. And at that point, if you take those 3 steps, you check the client reviews from other physicians, you get them all of the information and ask for an underwriter to review it, and then you ask for an updated financing proposal, I think you're going to pretty much guarantee yourself that there's not going to be any bait and switch at that point because they've already had an underwriter review. But if you don't follow those steps, you kind of walk yourself into a scenario where you may very well run into a landmine. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. We'd be more than happy to answer any additional questions you have. We invite you to call us or email us. We're here and we'd be honored to serve you.